Hi, I'm Erin with OnlineLabels.com, and today we're going to cover the 5 things your food labels need to be FDA compliant. While you want your food labels to be attractive and eye-catching, there are some things that the FDA requires before you can start selling. In this video, we cover what those things are and where they need to go on your label. You're free to name your product something fun and fanciful, but the FDA requires the standard name of your product to be listed as well. This means no matter what you call your hot sauce label, it needs to have the words hot sauce on it as well. This is required to be at least half the size of the largest font on your label and featured prominently on the front panel. Your label must include the weight, measure, or numerical count of your product. The text must be in a bold typeface in the bottom 30% of your label, run parallel to the bottom of your packaging, and have plenty of surrounding free space. Most edible products require nutrition facts on the packaging. Some small businesses, however, that meet specific criteria are exempt from these requirements. The nutrition facts can be placed in whatever layout or orientation best fits your packaging. You can even choose between a full format or a simplified version. Whichever you choose, the text and table formatting must be followed very closely. The easiest way to ensure you have a correctly formatted nutrition label is to use our free nutrition label generator, which we'll link to in the description below. For the safety of your customers, the FDA requires you list all the ingredients used to make your food product. This includes sub-ingredients, so if you're using ketchup, for example, make sure to list all of the ingredients in the ketchup as well. Your ingredients should be listed in descending order by weight, so your heaviest ingredients should be listed first. You're also required to list the 8 most common allergens if they're present in your food. These allergens are milk, eggs, fish, crustaceans or shellfish, tree nuts, wheat, peanuts, and soybeans. Food labels are required to list the location of the business that made the food product. This is also referred to as the signature and is just the standard mailing address. If the address listed on the label is anything other than the manufacturer, you must add a preceding statement like distributed by or imported by. With this information, you should be well on your way to having FDA compliant food labels. We have more information about making sure your food labels are FDA compliant on our website, as well as additional information on labeling and shipping food products. Visit OnlineLabels.com to learn more.